Hey guys, look at what I got behind me. It's a brand new listing here in beautiful La Jolla. I'm actually gonna get a little closer to it, but we are walking distance to Bird Rock. If you know, Bird Rock is one of the most expensive streets here in La Jolla, and La Jolla is one of the most expensive cities in California. So with that being said, I'm here in sunny La Jolla, and I'm gonna show you this beautiful property. So this right here is the property that we're gonna be seeing today. 4-bed, 3.5 bath. Pretty quiet street over here in sunny San Diego, specifically La Jolla. Listed at just under $6.2 million. 3,100 square feet. As you can see, they put a lot of money into the entrance. And you do have multiple entrances. Look at how the wood is shining during the day. It is currently almost 90 degrees, hence why I'm wearing comfy clothes today. But I'm gonna show you this property because I'm the agent to do so. So let's check it out. This is your view from your entrance. That's also a new construction property. Look at how sunny it is. Very quiet too. Let's check it out. Look at the entrance. What a beautiful property. You got the wine cellar right here. You guys want to be in the video? No. No worries, no worries. So this is a brand new construction, right? Yes, that is true. Yeah. Okay. Living area space right here, right next to the kitchen. Beautiful fireplace. You got the AC unit right here for the living area. And in the morning or even at night, up to you, you have your coffee right here. Custom cabinets, beautiful color. And then the fridge is also the same color as the cabinets, which is a small touch, but at this price point, you kind of expect it. Beautiful long island. Look at that. You guys know what this is called? This is a pot filler. So you put a pot right here, right? And you just fill it up. Water comes out of it. And when it just started selling real estate, I had no idea what that is. But all the expensive homes had it. You got two sinks. You got one sink right here, another sink right here. And this property also has an ADU that is part of the property. So with that being said, let's keep on looking with the property. Another place where you can have your lunch, dinner. Beautiful sliding doors. The lights are amazing. Let's turn on, oh, it's automatic. This is one of the bathrooms. And this is your garage. It is a 1-car garage right here, but you do have more space in the back. Washer and dryer, far away from all the bedrooms, amazing. Also some cabinets. And right there, actually let me show it to you. Right there is where you drive in and you have some space. Let's keep on going, walking through here to your ADU. So you can put a washer and a dryer right here, which is amazing. So if you have any family members, any friends that are looking to potentially stay over at your property, this would be a great place to host them. They got a sink. I mean, I wouldn't cook here, but up to them, they could if they really wanted to. Cabinets, plenty of space. Their own AC units, which I really do like, because if you ran the AC throughout the whole house, if there was only one AC unit, that would be very, very expensive. So let's keep on going with the tour. So we are in, but also out. So I showed you the first floor, but I'm gonna show you the second floor. And like I told you, this looks like an LA property, which I am from, and all those homes over there are like brand new construction, all white. I actually really like it, but they're all like cookie cutter. Actually, why don't we go upstairs first? What do you guys think? You might get the view from the ocean. Let's see. Yes, you will. Such a beautiful day today. You have a little bit of ocean view, but you do have ocean view, which I like. As you can see, those homes have beautiful view of the ocean. And you know, it's expensive. Lots are expensive here in La Jolla. So for example, this property, the lot is not huge, but you know, they built a big house. Same here, the lot is not the biggest, but you can build pretty high homes. So you saw the view. Let's keep it going and see the actual second floor. Man, it's hot today. It's one of the hottest days out of the year. But let me show you the rest. So we got this home, this bedroom, which has the view of the street. I like the cabinets. What do you guys think? Do you like the cabinets up there? Everything is custom. Closets, very expensive to create, so I do appreciate that. You do have 2 sinks, most likely because you're going to be sharing another bedroom. Yeah, so this bedroom is sharing the sink, built-in closets, more cabinets there. I really like, this is so unique, like the color. What do you guys think? Wow, I am doing this tour. I don't know if the AC is on, but it is. What a hot day today. Okay, we got this one. And then you have the view from here of all the other homes and your backyard. So, very peaceful. I would put like a ice bath right there. Every morning, go get there. And then we have one more bedroom. What a beautiful bedroom, look at that. And you have another door right here to go outside. Open. This would be a beautiful Airbnb property to rent. Wow, okay, so you got 2 sinks here. And then you have a walk-in shower. That is really nicely done. Very beautiful. And then you got the toilet here. And another custom, oh my God, another custom closet. That's beautiful. That's the toilet that you come up to it and it kind of like opens up, I think. Does it? I'm not even gonna touch it, but I think it also like warms up your butt. Beautiful touch, so nobody can see you naked. And then over here, actually let's go upstairs too. This, you go all the way up. More and more properties are doing these, that you can go all the way up and you can just hang out here. Oh, this is a much better view of the ocean. Honestly, you can put like a barbecue right there, hang out with your friends, just look at the ocean. That's a very easy way to, speakers too, easy way to make the home value go up even more. Now that I'm thinking about it, I completely forgot to finish off this video. So if you like this property and you want to see any other properties, or if you're looking to buy, sell, invest in sunny San Diego, feel free to reach out to me. I'm gonna leave all my information in the description of this video, and I'm a local real estate agent here in sunny San Diego. I'm happy to help you, and until next video, до свидания.